Finding the right contractor to trust with your Midwest home projects without ending up in a nightmare situation is totally possible if you know what to look for. First off, start by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who had similar work done. Check online reviews, but don't rely on just one source. Look at several platforms to see consistent feedback. Make sure whoever you consider is licensed and insured. This protects you if something goes wrong. Get detailed quotes that break down materials, labor, and timelines so you know exactly what you're paying for. Don't be shy about asking for references and actually calling those past clients to hear their experience firsthand. Trust your gut on communication. If they're hard to reach or vague, that's usually a red flag. Also, avoid the lowest bid trap. Sometimes low prices mean corners will be cut or surprise costs later. Lastly, put everything in writing with a clear contract covering scope, payment schedule, and how changes will be handled. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is hiring based only on price, which often leads to low-quality work or unfinished projects. To fix this, prioritize value over cost and check past work quality. Another common issue is not verifying licenses and insurance, leaving you liable if accidents happen. Always ask for proof before signing anything. The third problem is poor communication. Unclear timelines or vague promises can cause frustration. Insist on regular updates and written agreements to keep everyone on the same page. BigHomeProjects.com is a great tool for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps honest contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making the whole process way smoother for both sides.